Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the Google Lens interface. Allow camera and photo access if prompted. Tap the lens icon in the Google app or open Google Photos and choose the image you want. Once the photo is selected, make sure the subject is centered and clearly visible. If you need a new shot, switch to camera mode and tap to focus, then capture. This first step gets you immediate visual input so Lens can analyze shapes, text, or products efficiently. Once done selecting the image, refine what Lens should analyze by tapping or dragging to crop the focal area. This reduces noise and speeds accurate results. Then choose the mode: text for OCR, translate for foreign words, shop for product matches, or search for similar images, because each mode uses different algorithms. If text is faint, zoom in or adjust contrast using your photo editor before retrying. Making the subject clearer yields higher confidence matches and fewer irrelevant suggestions. You finish by reviewing Lens results and tapping any card for full details. Open links, copy extracted text, or use directions and shopping links. Make sure to try suggested actions like translate or search visually, and save screenshots if you need records. If results are poor, don't panic. Retry the shot with better lighting, adjust the angle to reduce glare, or crop more tightly. These quick fixes often resolve recognition errors and give you the...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.